I came to you with a new video today. So today we bring you about when the first flower bloomed on earth and many related facts. You are invited to watch this video till the end without missing a single second. You will be able to know unknown facts. If you haven't joined us yet, subscribe and click the bell icon. The Haitian era was one of the most important periods for life on Earth. It was the time when reptiles reigned. Also during that time, a variety of wild and strange dinosaurs lived. Something strange was happening at the feet of these terrifyingly large creatures. It was then that the first flower developed on Earth for the first time in history. According to the fossils found so far, the history of flowering plants goes back about 125 million years. When looking at the evolution of plants, flowering plants began to appear on Earth very late. You can see that we have seen quite a bit of pre-Haitian Jurassic plants, about something is missing. Plants similar to these plants that existed in this Jurassic period can still be seen in our environment today. They can be referred to as a type of plant with a pointed leaves and shiny green seed-bearing plants. The breeding process of these plants takes place through the breeding process known as spore. A spore is a type of reproductive cell derived from plants. A moist environment is necessary for breeding from these cells that are naturally present in bacteria, and those plants don't flower. But at the beginning of the Cetacean period, which flowers the Jurassic period, a strange species of plants appeared on Earth. About 125 million years ago, the first flower evolved in what is known as northeastern China. Scientists have named the fossilized plant as the Orchidroctus lenois-lensis. The type of flower born from that plant is not the type of flower you like. A species of flower with several small leaves on the side consisting of two very small petals. But to botanists, this is an important plant because, as far as we know, it is the world's first species of angiosperm. Angiosperm is the scientific name used by botanists to refer the flowering plant. If you have a flowering fruit plant in your garden, it is also an angiosperm species. The seeds of such plants are located under the outer covering. It is a very important element for plant evolution because the seeds of these plants can't be pollinated by wind or water. It means that for the first time in history, a plant species was born that was bred with the help of animals. The animals are attached by the sweet coating of the fruits of these plants, so these animals follow the fruit and carry the seeds to another place. If you haven't subscribed to us, subscribe now and click the bell icon. Then as soon as a new video is posted, you can receive a notification. So we say goodbye for today with the hope of coming back with a video.